Hello and welcome to our video on the top 10 ways to make money through online coaching and consulting. With the rise of the internet and technology, it has become easier than ever to offer coaching and consulting services to clients from all over the world. Whether you are an expert in business, health, personal development, or any other field, online coaching and consulting can help you monetize your expertise and make a meaningful impact on people's lives. In this video, we will share with you the top 10 ways to make money through online coaching and consulting. From creating online courses to offering group coaching programs, we'll cover a range of strategies that you can use to grow your coaching or consulting business and reach more clients. So, if you're ready to take your expertise to the next level and create a successful online coaching or consulting business, keep watching. Number 1. Define your niche and target audience. Is crucial when it comes to online coaching and consulting. Your niche should be an area in which you have expertise, skills, and experience, and that you're passionate about. It should also be specific enough to set you apart from your competitors and broad enough to attract a significant audience. Once you've defined your niche, you need to identify your target audience, the group of people who are most likely to benefit from your services. To do this, you can conduct research, analyze your competitors' customer base, and create customer personas. Number 2. Create a professional website. A professional website is a must-have for any online business. Your website should be well-designed, easy to navigate, and optimized for search engines. It should also be mobile-friendly and have a clear call to action. When creating your website, make sure to include a home page, an about page, a services page, a blog page, and a contact page. Your website should also have a clear and concise description of your services, a list of testimonials from satisfied clients, and contact information. Creating a professional website is crucial for establishing your online presence and attracting potential clients to your coaching or consulting business. Your website should reflect your brand and communicate your expertise and services in a clear and concise manner. Number 3. Offering free content is an excellent way to attract potential clients and showcase your expertise. Free content can come in different forms, including blog posts, podcasts, videos, ebooks, and webinars. When creating your free content, make sure it's high quality and provides value to your audience. Your free content should also be aligned with your niche and target audience. By offering free content, you can build trust with your audience and establish yourself as an authority in your field. Offering free content is a powerful marketing strategy to attract potential clients and build trust and credibility in your coaching or consulting business. By providing valuable content for free, you can showcase your expertise, reach a wider audience, and encourage potential clients to take the next step towards working with you. Number 4. Offer paid courses and programs. Creating and selling online courses and programs is an excellent way to generate passive income. Your courses and programs should be tailored to your niche and target audience and provide value to your clients. To create a successful online course or program, you need to identify your client's pain points and create a step-by-step solution. You can also use different formats, including video lessons, interactive components, quizzes, and assignments. When pricing your courses and programs, make sure to research your competitors and set a reasonable price. Number 5. Conduct webinars and workshops. Webinars and workshops are a great way to interact with potential clients and showcase your expertise. These can be offered for free or at a cost, and can be a great way to generate leads for your coaching or consulting services. When creating a webinar or workshop, make sure it's informative and provides value to your audience. You can also offer a discount or a bonus to attendees who sign up for your coaching or consulting services. Number 6. Use social media to promote your services. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your coaching or consulting services and engaging with potential clients. When using social media, make sure to create a strong social media presence and regularly post content related to your niche. You should also optimize your social media profiles, including a clear description of your services, a link to your website, and a consistent brand image. You can also use social media to run targeted ads and reach a wider audience. Number 7. Create a podcast. Is a great way to establish yourself as an expert in your niche and attract potential clients. Your podcast can be a more casual way to share your expertise and connect with your audience. When creating a podcast, make sure to provide value to your audience and include guests who are relevant to your niche. You can also promote your coaching or consulting services at the end of each episode. Number 8. Writing a book is a great way to establish credibility and promote your coaching or consulting services. Your book should be relevant to your niche and provide value to your readers. You can self-publish your book or work with a traditional publisher. When writing your book, make sure to identify your readers' pain points and provide a solution. You can also include case studies, exercises, and action steps to make your book more interactive and valuable. Once your book is published, you can use it to generate leads and attract potential clients. Number 9. Offer one-on-one coaching or consulting. Services is a great way to provide personalized guidance to clients and generate income. This can be offered over the phone, via video chat, or in person. When offering one-on-one coaching or consulting, make sure to tailor your services to your client's specific needs and provide value to them. You can also offer different packages, including a set number of sessions, ongoing support, or a VIP package. Number 10. Create a membership site. Is a great way to generate recurring income and provide ongoing value to clients. Your membership site can include exclusive content, webinars, and one-on-one coaching sessions. When creating a membership site, make sure it's tailored to your niche and provides value to your members. You can also offer different membership levels, including a basic, premium, or VIP level. Thank you for watching this video on the top 10 ways to make money through online coaching and consulting. By defining your niche and target audience, creating a professional website, offering valuable content and services, and promoting your services on social media, you can establish yourself as an expert in your field and generate income from anywhere in the world. Whether you choose to offer one-on-one coaching, create online courses, write a book, or create a membership site, the key is to provide value to your clients and continuously improve your services. By following these steps and continuously improving your services, you can establish yourself as an expert in your field and generate income from anywhere in the world. Remember to focus on providing value to your clients and promoting your services on social media to reach a wider audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on making money online.